Hey guys, Linus here, and today we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency with the DeEEP Network Crypto Miner. This little box promises effortless crypto earning. They say it's as easy as plugging it in and letting it do its thing. Let's find out. Cryptocurrency can seem complicated, but the DeEEP network aims to change that. This device is designed for everyone, especially beginners. No more confusing setups or technical headaches. The DeEEP network wants to make crypto earning as simple as possible. First things first, let's see what we get inside the box. Packaging looks sleek. Inside we've got the DeEEP network miner itself. It's surprisingly compact, smaller than I expected. It's got this cool, futuristic design. They also include an Ethernet cable, power adapter, and some instruction manuals. Everything seems pretty straightforward so far. Alright, let's put this 30-second setup claim to the test. First, plug the Ethernet cable from your router into the miner, then connect the power. The instructions say to download the DeEEP network app. Scanning the QR code on the back of the device makes it super easy. Once the app is open, it should automatically detect the device. We just need to follow the on-screen prompts to connect it to our Wi-Fi and... boom! That's it! We're up and running in under a minute. Now for the exciting part. How much can this thing actually earn? The DeEEP network website mentions that earnings depend on network traffic and demand for the blockchains it supports. It's not about getting rich quick, but about generating passive income over time. Think of it like this. The DeEEP network miner is silently working in the background, earning you crypto while you sleep, work, or game. One of the coolest things about the DeEEP network is its ability to support multiple blockchains simultaneously. This means you're not limited to earning just one type of cryptocurrency. This multi-chain approach makes the DeEEP network incredibly versatile. It's future-proof, adapting to the ever-evolving crypto landscape. But the DeEEP network is more than just a crypto miner. It's a powerful distributed computing device. Essentially, it's lending its unused computing power to support various blockchain networks. This distributed computing model is changing how we think about blockchain validation. It's making the process more efficient, secure, and accessible to everyone. The DeEEP network isn't just riding the wave of blockchain technology, it's actively shaping its future. By making crypto earning and blockchain validation accessible to everyone, DeEEP is contributing to a more decentralized and democratic internet. This is huge. Imagine a world where anyone can participate in the crypto revolution regardless of their technical expertise. That's the future DeEEP is building towards. So, is the DeEEP network miner the future of effortless crypto earning? It definitely seems promising. The setup is incredibly easy, the multi-chain support is awesome, and the potential impact on distributed computing is huge. If you're curious about dipping your toes into the crypto world without the headache, the DeEEP network miner might be just the ticket. Remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency comes with risks. Do your own research, understand the market, and never invest more than you can afford to lose.